Hello everyone, this is my presentation of the third and last assignment from the online specialization AI for Product Management, Module 3. I presented the human factors in Virtual Assistant for Violence Prevention. I received positive but also constructive feedbacks from my proposed solution explained in the previous video, and I decided to continue on this journey. My solution uses AI to augment human capabilities in decision-making. I would like that the assistant determines whether there are reasonable grounds to believe there is a risk of violence. However, before reaching reasonable grounds, I consider the system a decision supporter. The human is the user which is in potential danger or sees someone in potential danger. The system objective is to assess the situation of danger and provide safe action plans. Feeling that there is someone in danger or feeling in danger is the trigger to use the system. And the main task is to list actions to prevent events of violence. The idea is a flow of questions and answers to assess the situation. There must be conducted an optimization process to ask proper questions based on previous answers. In fact, we could think that different geographical region requires different feature selection in order to assess better the situation. My solution takes inspiration from Akinator, an app where a virtual character tells you what character you're thinking of just by asking few questions. User interacts with the assistant by answering questions with simple clicks. At the end of the assessment, we gather feedbacks from the users, for example, the safe action plan selected, or an additional section of a form to reward the system that provided useful information or not. We try to minimize the cold start problem by using historical events that are fed into our system, determined what people actually did to survive or could not do. The system result can present additional information as what user preferred and explanation on why asking question or providing particular results. Since the system is not deterministic, it shall provide a percentage on the confidence to give the answer and a percentage of the danger of the situation the system assessed. We can also think of several levels of danger and why a certain level has been chosen. It is not the purpose of the app to know who has requested the result. It is irrelevant to the case assessment. On the other hand, we provide results with historical facts that shall avoid the use of indirect identification. But users with accounts might provide supporting facts to the website and, in collaboration with authorities, comply with data protection laws or examine the fact that information will be used for automated decision-making. We can think of aggregated information of what we show to do not leave trace of particular information of individuals. There are two potential harms the solution could do. The system might never assess danger situation in a region where events of violence are really few. And also, the system could recognize always as danger when the age range of the abused person falls into a particular category. I think the solution could have bias in the entire loop of implementation since it handles complex data. To name one, historical bias could raise if the majority of the event of violence in our system regards young or adult women and few old women. Nevertheless, the system must be fair, accountable, and transparent. To be fair, I would use the same error rate among a set of situations that have aggregated set of features. I would support the result with historical events for accountability, and I would explain how data is uploaded and probably make the code open source. Now, I show a few screenshots on how my solution should look like and work. The assistant is a public website, and everybody shall trust it. The trust could come from the association that works with this solution, for example, to improve the database, but also governments that help collaborating with this solution. The website could also show how many people are using it per day. From the menu, anyone shall be able to know all this general information, but also purpose of the website. The only action of the main page, and the most important one, is to start assessing potential event of violence. The user then starts a flow of questions in order to assess the situation and provide a list of actions. Here, I show on the left the decision on the location, and on the right the age range of the person the user considers the abuser. The result page shows the confidence that the situation is assessed as dangerous, and gives supporting historical facts on the left. Moreover, gives a list of safe action plans and provides the reason why recommending such plans. I also leave open questions to this project within the ethics AI context.